Hello, friends. This week I have a young guest with me, Ajay Patil. Today, Ajay Patil from Gulbarga in Karnataka state, which is in the south of India. Ajay is studying in the ninth standard, 14 years old, and he has also done 4 years of IIT course. IIT is the prestigious institution called Indian
Indian
Institute of
Institute of
Technology. Yeah.
Technology.
Hi, Ajay. How are you?
Hi Keshav, I am fine and what about you?
All great. Today we are going to speak about how Ajay overcame his stammering in the past 1 year and how he has uplifted himself to become a confident public speaker. I met Ajay last year on the second or the third day. I think it was the third day when he gave a 55-minute speech in front of a classroom full of people. Now, this is something that we all can look up to. Uh, 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 Ajay, how
Yeah,
confident are you in public speaking after having worked on your speech?
I am around 99% confident on my speech after working on my speeches, and I am on the way to complete my 100% confidence on my speech. So now I can speak with anyone, anybody, anytime, and anywhere. So I am practicing daily on it. Work which includes breathing exercises and word prolongations. So everyone who stammers should follow it as a routine. The practicing must not become a medicine for you. It should become as your food. I think this is a quote that I keep in mind and work on my speech.
Wow, that's a nice quote. I will repeat this quote once again. Sorry, can you repeat it once
Yeah,
again? Yeah.
the practices should not become your medicine, but it should become as your food for your life.
Wow, this is nice. It's so nice to hear this from a 14-year-old, and I'm really proud of you, Ajay.
Thank you.
Ajay, tell us a success story of yours in school with respect to your speech where you have utilized your practices in real life, in actual situations.
Yeah, when I and me met in a workshop, that was, I think, when my school gave us a winter holidays. So at that time we met in Bangalore. So after leaving Bangalore and arriving at Gulbarga on my first day of school after winter holidays, my class teacher was asking everybody, how was your holidays, where you went and all. So this was a time when I can bring my practices to real life. So at that time I spoke very nice and well that all my classmates and my class teacher was so shocked that before winter holidays I used to stammer a lot. So after winter holidays the stammering has changed into fluent speaking. So this was a success story in my life of school in 8th standard.
What was the reaction of your friend circle, of your neighbors?
Yeah, in my friend circle, they were, as I said, they were shocked. Before winter holidays, I used to stammer a lot. Means to call them, I used to stutter their name a lot. Means you think that name is Antosh, like that, like that. I would stammer, and now I can call him. call him very fluently. So that was the reaction of my friends when they saw me like, oh.
And how has life changed from that winter holiday of yours?
Um I think that winter holidays of that year was a changing point to my life, as it gave me a new life of fluent speaking. So before the stammering, my confidence was low, and I used to speak very less with people. So after this, I'm speaking more and more with people so that I can build relationships with many people, and that had helped me a lot.
Wow, that's nice to hear, you know. I think many of the school students or parents of school children who have stammering, I think we should just go for it. And this is really a big success story
Thank
for
you.
a person who is in school.
Yeah.
Uh, on that note, Ajay, what are your top recommendations for kids with stammering in school in today's day and age?
Yeah. In today's life, I think my recommendation for the kids who are studying in school and have stammering is to have a control on their breaths. The control on the breaths can act as a fluent speaker, fluent speaking fuel for their future life. As to run a car, we need a fuel. So as to run the fluent speaking system of our mouth, the breath can act as a fuel for us. So I think that the first preference they should give is to take breaths after 5 to 6 words. Like if they speak around fast, they can speak 5 to 6 words and take a small breath, and afterwards they can speak the next word. Again, like we should take a breaks between 5 to 6 words and take breath and again speak. So, as my recommendation, not only for kids, as for the government also, as my I have a story of my friend to share with you. Like one of my friend was studying. I think you have met in the workshop when we met. I do not remember his name, but he has studied doctorate, but he has not got the doctor degree because only he has stammering. He has also sent a photo that the restrictions do not allow to become doctoral. In that, stammering is there. So the ours is a welfare state. So welfare state, the stammering students should be given the reservation not only in education but in employment also. And I, Ajay Patil from Gulbarga, Karnataka, request our beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to please consider our demands and please act on them fast.
Okay, I hope our Prime Minister will be watching it.
Yeah.
But yeah, what you've said is quite a valid point. For those people, I just want to repeat what Ajay has said. You can do this from right now, from this very moment. You can implement the rule of 5 to 6 words per breath.
Yeah.
Take breaks, take a deep breathe, 5 to 6 words, and then take another breathe, 5 to 6 words. You can do this from right now.
Yeah.
Okay, Ajay, thank you so much for sharing your insights and your success story. We
Thank you.
all wish you very best in your school life and beyond. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Kishore. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And I wish all the viewers who are seeing this video to share this video with more and more people so that the children of them who are stammering can get the message of this, get the agenda of we are speaking, so they can improve their speaking style. Thank you. And I
Exactly.
have a, yeah, Krishav, I
Yes.
have a last quote to share with you all. The quote was said by David James Lees. Be mindful of your self-talk. It's a conversation with the universe.
Amazing, amazing.
So yes, self-talk is so important that if we talk with ourselves, we can speak with other people from outside.
This is very nice. I like this thought. Thank you so much for sharing this quote and your thoughts. Okay, friends, this was today's podcast, Life of a School Boy. Like, subscribe, and share this video with all your school friends, all the parents of school children with stammering. See you soon in the next episode.